Hello. Okay, so here a container is filled with a sample of gas having n molecules. Speed they have given V1, V2, n molecules, n speeds. The ratio of average speed to root mean square speed. இது வந்து kinetic theory of gases. Refer the class videos. We have example பண்ணிருப்பேன். Example I have given you some values. I would have told you how to calculate RMS speed, most probable speed, and average speed. Okay, numbers வச்சே பண்ணிருப்போம். அதே type தான் இது. So here they have given me the values. So first ratio means I have to divide. So I'll find the average speed, then the RMS speed, and then I'll divide. So first V average. Average is literally the average. You just need to add all the values divided by n. So if I add, this is like 1 alpha, 2 alpha, you get the pattern. N alpha by n. Alpha common எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 n into alpha by n. And this is sum of 1 to n terms. 1 to n terms is n into n plus 1 by 2 into alpha divided by n. Sum of n terms. I hope you remember the formula. So n cancels. So average speed is n plus 1 alpha by 2. This is V average. Okay, right. And now I have to find RMS. Maybe I'll note it down here because I won't have space. So V average, what I have figured out is n plus 1 alpha by 2. Okay, now I have to go and find let's remove this. Okay, now I have to go and calculate RMS speed. Let's calculate RMS speed. RMS again we have done in the class, kinetic theory class pananga. First I have to square the velocities, then I have to find the average. Okay, square panni average, then root. Square, mean, and root. So first I square, then I'm taking the average. So I'm adding them, dividing by n, then I take the square root. So same thing, I substitute. V1 is 1 alpha the whole square, 2 alpha the whole square, dot 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 n alpha the whole square divided by n. So alpha I can take out. So you can see that this is root of 1 square plus 2 square plus dot 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 n square by n. Again we have a formula for addition of sum of n square terms. Okay, so this will give me alpha into this. There are multipliers to this, so simply you can, 1 second. So I just need to remove this. Okay, so it is like n into n square terms. When you add, it will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 divided by n. Again, these are formulas. Remember, these questions are not for NEET. Okay, in the Mari formulas, they'll expect you to know only for JE. So மறுபடியும் சொல்றேன், those who are preparing for NEET, don't waste your time spending solving JE questions. Okay, if you're preparing for JE, well and good. NEET in the Mari formulas, you're not expected to know. So that's it. This is the formula. So this is VR RMS, and they're asking me to find the what is that? Average. So which means V ratio ratio of average by RMS. Mathi potradinga, average by RMS. So I have to divide. So average is n plus 1 alpha by 2 divided by alpha into this root term. Root of n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Alpha cancels. So rearrange. I'll get if you're okay with this, I can also, so or rooting a cancel agum. So numerator, I'll be having root of n plus 1. I don't know whether you're okay with this. So maybe I'll remove this. I'm running short of space. 1 second. Okay, I'm continuing it over here. So V average by V RMS is equal to okay, so this is n plus 1 by 2. Rearrange panna கீழே எனக்கு root of n plus 1 root of 2n plus 1 மேலே root 6. You see, I can cancel this one term. மேலே numerator root of n plus 1 root 6 by 2 into root of 2n plus 1. This is what I'll get. Okay, now this is root full root layer. Now when I take this 2 inside the root, the whole square root, if I write this 2 when goes inside becomes 4. I hope it's clear. So this is 6 into n plus 1 whole square root. So 3 by 2. Adichingna, I'll be getting root of 3n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1. So it is 3 by 2 into 2n plus 1. This is the answer. Again, calculation simple da. But remember, this is for JE, not for NEET. NEET, they will not expect you to know these formulas because pure science students also take this test. So, regular my advice, those who are preparing for NEET, you need to be very clear with what is required, what is not required. Watch the class videos, தேவையான மட்டும் தான் நடத்தி இருப்பேன். Don't refer random books. நான் சொன்ன books ரெஃபர் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா மத்த books JE content எடுத்து போட்டிருப்பாங்க. That is a waste of time. Okay, இதுல ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா சொல்லுங்க. Okay, good.